Searching for the best AI course online? Stop comparing endless tabs for 6 minutes. I ranked 5 popular options by curriculum, projects, support, flexibility, and career value. Because a certificate looks good, but employers still ask what projects you work on. Some courses explain AI, others teach coding, only a few guide a complete transition. I will reveal the strengths, limitations, and ideal learner for every course. We are starting with Rank 1 and moving through all 5 options. Rank 1, LogicMojo AI and ML Course, my strongest complete guided option. Why first? It combines foundations, modern AI tools, live teaching, projects, and career preparation. The 7-month journey starts with Python, SQL, statistics, and exploratory data analysis. Then you study regression, classification, clustering, feature engineering, and model evaluation. The path continues through deep learning, NLP, computer vision, and time series applications. Modern modules include LLMs, embeddings, vector databases, RAG, and AI agents. Live classes and doubt support matter when a difficult concept blocks your progress. Projects connect data, models, APIs, evaluation, deployment, and documentation into complete systems. The limitation? Not for non-IT candidates, fixed class timings, and a serious weekly commitment. Choose LogicMojo for a structured career transition, not casual weekend exploration. Rank 2, AI for Everyone by DeepLearning.AI, taught by Andrew Ng. This is the best starting point if AI terminology currently feels confusing. No programming is required. The course focuses on clear concepts and business applications. You learn what AI can solve, what data it needs, and where it fails. It explains AI project workflows, team roles, strategy, ethics, and responsible adoption. That makes it valuable for managers, founders, product teams, and complete beginners. The lessons help you discuss AI confidently and identify realistic business use cases. But you will not train models, write applications, or build a technical portfolio. Think of it as AI literacy, not preparation for an AI engineering job. Choose it before technical learning when you need clarity, direction, and confidence. Rank 3, DataCamp, the most flexible option for interactive, bite-sized technical practice. Instead of only watching videos, you write code directly inside the browser. Short lessons and instant feedback make consistent learning easier during busy weeks. You can practice Python, SQL, data analysis, machine learning, and deep learning. Its AI catalog also covers APIs, embeddings, LangChain, RAG, LLMs, and agents. This makes DataCamp useful when you need to close one specific skill gap. However, a huge course library can quickly become another source of confusion. Guided exercises teach syntax, but employers expect independent end-to-end problem solving. Build separate projects with evaluation, deployment, documentation, and clear business outcomes. Choose DataCamp for daily practice, but create your portfolio outside the platform. Rank 4, Andrew Ng's Machine Learning Specialization, available through Coursera. This 3-course beginner series offers one of the clearest machine learning foundations online. You start with supervised learning, regression, classification, Python, NumPy, and scikit-learn. Then come neural networks, decision trees, model tuning, and machine learning best practices. Later modules cover clustering, anomaly detection, recommender systems, and reinforcement learning. Andrew Ng explains mathematical ideas with strong intuition and practical visual examples. The coding labs are useful, affordable, self-paced, and friendly to beginners. But they are guided exercises, not large projects designed for a portfolio. The specialization does not deeply cover RAG agents, ML ops, or deployment. Choose it for ML fundamentals, then add Gen AI and production projects afterward. Rank 5, upGrad, which offers multiple university-linked AI and machine learning programs. Its major advantage is formal structure, academic credentials, deadlines, and cohort-based learning. Depending on the program, you may get assignments, projects, mentorship, and career services. Its major advantage is formal structure, academic credentials, deadlines, and cohort-based learning. But upGrad is a platform, not one course with one identical syllabus. Program duration, fees, instructor access, and project depth can differ significantly. Do not select a program only because the university name looks impressive. Program duration, fees, instructor access, and project depth can differ significantly. Also, verify refund rules and whether career support includes individual feedback. Request the exact syllabus, project list, mentor model, and weekly workload first. Here's the final shortcut: match your choice to the outcome you need now. Choose upGrad for formal credentials, but compare the specific program before paying. Machine Learning Foundations, Coursera. formal academic credentials, evaluate the relevant upGrad program. For a complete career transition with live teaching and projects, I highly recommend LogicMojo. Link is in the description.